Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to delete your deployed site in Netlify. So let's get started. So first thing, just go to the home page of your Netlify, and to the left you'll be having sites. Just click that, and below you will be having all the sites and projects that you have deployed. I'm having only one, so I'll just open it, and in order to view the site you can just open it in a new tab. So this is the site that I'm having, just a demo React project. And here you'll be having this site configuration option. Click that, and if you just scroll down to the last, you'll be having delete this site. So you can just click this and type in the name to confirm. So I just need to type this and click on delete. That's it. The site has been completely removed and I don't have the deployment. And now if I go to the same site and refresh it, it says site not found, which means that it has been completely deleted. So that's the video, guys. I hope you have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of tutorials in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.